edge. Smooth that down. No air pockets. 4.8. Here on the outside, you have the polycarbonate face, light and flexible. Beneath it is the bonding adhesive, almost invisible, holding the glass plies together.
Every layer is handled as if it were the only one. The frame is brought in with a vacuum pen, seated, then coaxed into alignment.
Bolt is drawn down against the clay backer, compressing the soft material so the steel can carry its load without vibration. Threads cut to 1/1000th of a millimeter meet a socket.
A single round is sent downrange. It smashes through the outer ceramic, releases a cloud of dust, and stops cold. Behind it, the gel clues us in. A hollow channel, but no exit.
Eagle 1, this is lead. We're maintaining 35. Clear route ahead.
Copy that, lead. Hold steady for the merge.
Understood. Switching to route 2 in 2 minutes.